So everybody's going crazy over this coffee thing. So I saw a recipe that was using matcha instead. So I'm gonna actually try both, but I'm gonna try to do the matcha one for myself since Robert doesn't really like matcha. So I've got egg whites in this bowl, and then I've got sugar as well. It sounds like you're basically just making a meringue, and then you're going to be adding in the matcha later to give the flavor for it. So I'm going to start whipping these eggs. Thankfully, I have my mixer, so I'm doing this not by hand, and it's going to be a lot easier. So let's get started. We're gonna try it. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna whip these until they're frothy and then slowly start adding the sugar into it. Okay, I've got this leaned against the other bowl because I need both hands for this part. So let's see if this doesn't fall over. Please, camera, don't fall over. So the coffee one said to do it until you get like this stringing effect, but I think for this one, I'm gonna whip it until it's actually closer to stiff peaks. I think that'll be better. So it's closer, but it's got a ways to go still. All right, I think it is the right consistency now that I wanted. It is. Peaks are pretty much standing on their own, except for the very tips of them. So, yep. I'm gonna go ahead and add the matcha in. Don't know what the best angle for this is gonna be. I'm gonna need 2 hands again. Okay, hang on. All right, change some settings. So hopefully it'll have continuous focus on here. So you can see now if I move in, refocus. Yeah, kind of. There's the matcha going in there. So just gonna sieve the rest of this over it. It's hard to do this one-handed. I don't have the tripod right now. Robert is using it in the other room. Ah, use sample. This is a culinary grade matcha. So hopefully it will taste good. Almost done. And then we are going to blend it some more. We good? Pretty much. Okay, I'll live with that. Okay. Ooh. Ah, it smells so good. But you have to like matcha. All right, let me go ahead and try to blend it. So it's not very attractive. It's not like a bright green color. Like here's the matcha, and then obviously when you add colors to white, it makes it pastel. So it's not gonna probably be as delectable looking in the cup, but I'm sure it'll probably taste good. I have not tasted this mixture on its own yet though, so let's try scooping it into the cup. So I realized I don't own any short clear glasses except for this whiskey glass that Mom gave. So I'm gonna use this because I want to actually look at it and see if it looks nice. So I'm gonna do lactose-free milk and then leave it plenty of room. I think that's half and half, maybe a little more, I don't know. Okay, let's try that. And then I'm going to use a spatula to try and get this out. Okay, it's just gonna jiggle. There you go. It is floating on top. I mean, that's kind of nice. I also did not put ice in the milk, which apparently you're supposed to do, which I think is kind of weird. Ooh, don't fall out. Okay. Wow, I thought I was gonna have a lot left over, but I don't actually. I don't think I'm going to. Yeah. Okay. Should probably get a spoon to make it actually look nice. Spoon. Okay. Kind of nudge it into there, maybe. This reminds me of that other coffee drink that's like espresso, but then it has gelato scoops in it, which I've always wanted to try, but also have not tried that yet. Affogato, I think? Is that what it's called? I apologize if it's not. Okay. Good enough. I think it'll look much better if I put some matcha on top of it too. Okay. Leave that there. And now you can see, maybe that's a truer color on that side. It's not bad. Yeah, I'm gonna put some matcha on top, I think. Let's see if I can do this one-handed again. Oh, kind of. Just expect to get a mess all over the place. Yay! And there we have it! The matcha drink. It's coffee, a lot of caffeine, that's what they say. I'm gonna try it and we'll see how it tastes. So yeah, like I said, Robert has the tripod in the other room, so I have now placed my phone against Harry Potter and the Order of Phoenix. So it is being held up by arguably the thickest book in the Harry Potter series. I have the lovely matcha version of the coffee that we made, and I'm gonna give it a try because I normally don't drink milk anymore at all. Thankfully this is the lactose-free milk, so I don't have to worry about that, but I usually only drink it like with cereal, and I don't even enjoy cereal that much, so I really haven't had milk. But this I think is probably gonna be delicious. I hope it's not too bitter, but I mean, if you like matcha things, then you know it's gonna be bitter anyway. But I'm supposed to mix it a little bit first, so that's what we're doing here. I'm working down this side a little bit here. Yeah, okay. And I'm gonna sip, and then I'm gonna just eat it, I think. Okay. It's super delicious. Oh my god, it's really good. Okay. I mean, I don't know what I expected. It's meringue, so it's just sugar and egg whites and then matcha. It's just a dessert. That's all this. It's nice, I think, with ice cold milk, so I can see now why they might add ice to the milk. It's so good. Okay, I'm just gonna eat the top part. I feel like this is a really good way to fake out making like a cold matcha latte at home. Just do this, and then you get your like fix. Nope, just a soft marshmallow. It's so good. Oh my god, I don't know. I don't want to like spill this. I don't know if you can see it really. It is mixing, and then it's got sediment on the bottom now, where the matcha's settling. I would highly recommend making this. If you have matcha, I just make this. I don't even know if I need to make the other version now. I'm going to, but this is really good. Oh, good choice. Thanks, internet. This is wonderful. Man. Okay. I'm gonna drink this, eat it, both. It's just dessert. That's all it is. I could have put more matcha. Yeah. But it's good with the amount of matcha it is. It's just 1 teaspoon, but it could have been more. Probably could have been more matcha and less sugar, but I think with less sugar, the concern would be that the meringue would just take way longer to whip up and it wouldn't be as sweet, obviously. But yeah, it'd still be really good. So A+, try it, do it, make it. You won't be disappointed.